I'm even darker. What are you doing? What's going on, everybody? Gary here, and welcome to my vlog for today. Just going on a little journey, taking the little one to gymnastics. Got the wife here. Say hi.
Hi.
So we're just gonna go over here to gymnastics real quick. It's a nice day here in California. We had some rain earlier in the week, but finally cleared out, and now it's nice. Hope everybody's having a great day, positive day. Everybody woke up happy and in a good mood. Oh man, feels good to be driving around. Hey, the light got better.
It did. So you know.
I can see me now.
I can see me now.
It's kind of shady over there in front of the house, so I wasn't able to get good footage. But yeah, so bringing you all along on our journey today. Like I said, we're just gonna take the little one to gymnastics, and then yeah, we'll see where it goes. Where it goes from there. Catch you here in a little bit. So as we're going, I want to take the moment to say thank you to everybody for helping me to reach 1,400 plus subscribers on this channel. I really appreciate all the likes, the comments, the support that y'all have given me on this channel as I'm a new YouTuber getting started. This year I'm going to be bringing more videos to y'all, more of the DIY videos, more of the travel videos, more of the unboxing and review videos, the vlogs, and I'm planning on getting into some urban exploration videos and some haunted stuff as well. So hit that notification bell over here. I think that's where I'm going to put it. Hit that notification bell to keep checking back for more footage that I will be posting on my channel. What are you drinking?
Coffee?
What kind of coffee?
My own coffee.
Starbucks?
My own coffee. One day.
Your own Starbucks? Shirley Starbucks? Shirley Bucks?
Better than Starbucks.
Better than Starbucks, huh? This is actually better than Starbucks. Tastes like chocolate. Wow. You're not getting this back. I better give it back before she kills me. So anyway, so what type of stuff material do y'all like to look at when surfing YouTube? Like I said, I like to look at DIY stuff, urban exploration, and haunted location stuff as well. In the near future, I'm actually planning on going and do a 3 a.m. adventure over at this haunted comic book store that's here in my town. Pretty excited about that. Can't wait to do it. Can't wait to do it. You want to go? Okay, I don't think she wants to go, especially at 3 a.m. All right, everybody. Little one just got done with gymnastics, so now we're gonna go and get some food. Where are we going?
Jollibee.
Yeah. Right.
Gosh,
So we're gonna take you along with us as we go and get some Jollibee chicken. Yeah. You just getting the chicken?
Want spaghetti? Yeah.
Chicken and spaghetti. Chicken and spaghetti. Sounds good.
Daddy, I never said hello. Do I have a choice? Daddy, I never said hello.
Say hello.
Hello.
Little one wanted to say hello.
Go that way.
Can I go that way?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll go that way. Oh, yeah, I can go that way. Okay.
No.
Right. On the road again.
Can't wait for summer.
I can't wait for summer either. You know, it really doesn't get that cold in California, but lately, I don't know why, it's been kind of chilly around here. Having to wear hoodies and jackets and things like that. And
Mother Earth.
Oh yeah, yeah. Mother Earth is.
Mother Earth. There.
Mother Earth is changing the weather. Jelly Belly.
Jelly.
For all y'all who don't know, Jelly Belly, the Jelly Bean factory is right here in Fairfield, along with the Budweiser. Well, one of the Budweiser factories is also here in Fairfield. So, a little bit of a fun fact for you. Let's go Six Flags. Not me. Alright, turn signal once again. You know that lever that's on the left hand side of your steering wheel? That's a turn signal. It works wonders.
That is
I want to get some Jollibee, yeah.
We're gonna go home.
Alright, we just got Jollibee.
Jollibee.
Jollibee. So, ready to head back to the house and eat some of this Jollibee. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, so let's head back to the house, y'all. Alright, we just got back from Jollibee, but real quick, I want to go over 6 things that I experienced from my time here on YouTube. I know there's a lot of you out there who are considering starting a YouTube channel, but don't know, what to expect and things of that nature. So from a new YouTuber, I'm just going to discuss real quick some of the things that I experienced from my time here on YouTube. The first thing that was hard for me was figuring out what topic I wanted to discuss on my channel. My channel initially started out as a DIY channel, and I posted a video that took off fairly well. After that, I was like, hey, I want to make more DIY videos and help people with stuff like that. But the issue with that is, it's hard coming up with subject matter, and if I'm repairing stuff, then I have to wait for things to break and things of that nature. And I didn't want to have to, wait for things to break. I wanted to broaden my channel a little bit. Initially, it started out as a DIY channel, and then I started doing some unboxing and review videos, some travel videos, vlogs. It's just a matter of deciding what type of audience you're wanting to attract. I'm still in the process of doing that, and actually in the near future, I'm planning on diving into some urban exploration and a little bit of haunted stuff as well. So keep checking back for that. That's going to be coming really, really, really soon. So the next thing that I found that was hard as a new YouTuber was not getting discouraged if I wasn't getting likes on a video or if I was getting dislikes on a video. When you post a video, you're going to have individuals who will appreciate what you post, and then you're going to have the individuals who don't really feel that it was capturing what they were looking for. So for instance, hypothetically speaking, let's say I posted a DIY video and what I posted helped somebody out. They might drop a like on the video or what have you, but then let's say I posted the video and there's somebody who watched it and then they decide, that's really not what I'm looking for, or they think that, oh, that's weak, they might give it a dislike. Don't let the dislikes discourage you. Keep pressing forward. If filming is your passion, if telling a story is your passion, just keep pressing forward. The more you do it, the better you'll get at it. The next thing that I was concerned about was my equipment. Was my equipment up to par to be able to post videos on YouTube? You don't have to have the latest camera. You don't have to have the latest light source, green screen, the fastest computer to process videos or to edit videos or what have you. Right now I'm shooting this video from my Galaxy S7, and as you can see, the quality of this video is fairly good. It's really good. So you can just use your smartphone. If you're just starting out new, you can just use your smartphone to go out and shoot videos to tell a story or whatever you're planning to do with your channel. You can just use your phone to to do that. You don't have to go out and spend thousands of dollars on a camera or a bunch of lights or what have you, or green screens or a fast computer. You don't have to do it. You can start with what you have, and as you grow, you can improve the equipment that you have. But start with what you have initially. Don't think that you have to go and get the latest stuff. You want to have patience with your channel. The first video that you put on YouTube is not going to make you YouTube famous. It's not. So have patience. Have a well thought out process as to what you want to do with your channel, what type of videos you want to do. And if you're putting up good material and your follower group is getting big enough, you will eventually get to where you want to be with YouTube. Whatever your goal may be, you will eventually get there. Just have a little bit of patience. So after the patience, once your channel gets big enough and you get a lot of views on your videos or a lot of subscribers and what have you on your channel, you might want to consider the YouTube partnership program. Now, so when I first became a partner on YouTube, I just had to have 10,000 views on a video and no negative marks on my account in order to apply for partnership. Well, those rules have recently changed a little bit. To have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time in a year, and no negative marks on your account. Now, don't let that discourage you. If you are planning on applying for a YouTube partnership, just continue to work on your material. Work on your material. Your follower group will eventually get there. Your numbers will get up there. Your watch hours will get there. And eventually you can apply for partnership. Just keep driving forward. Don't let it discourage you from pursuing whatever goal or dream you may have. The last thing you want to work on is consistency. You don't want to be just one-hit wonder where you post one video on YouTube and then you disappear and just hope that that's just going to take off. You want to be consistent with uploading. If you start getting subscribers, your subscribers are going to want to see you posting material constantly. They're going to want to see you posting new things or new ideals or new stories or new vlogs or whatever it is that your channel is focused on. They're going to want to see that new stuff. So if you just post one video on YouTube and you start getting, let's say hypothetically, you start getting 100 subscribers, and then you don't post another video for like another year, those subscribers may eventually start dwindling off. Like I said, just be consistent. Keep posting new material. Keep posting on a schedule. Just write out a schedule of when, come up with ideas and write out a schedule of when you want to film, so that it's feasible and it keeps your subscribers entertained to keep coming back for more. Also, you want to interact with your subscribers. If your subscribers took the time to write a comment on your video that you post, whether it be positive or negative, if they took the time to write out a comment, give them a little bit of satisfaction by responding. Don't just ignore the comment or not even put a like on the comment or what have you. Respond. Show your subscriber group that you appreciate them, taking the time to watch your video. You appreciate them taking the time to like the video or to comment or to subscribe to the video. Don't just ignore them, because if you have a subscriber and they're coming to your channel and they're taking that time to, hey, I appreciate what you posted, or hey, that helped me out, or hey, you should do this a little bit better in your next video, or something like that. Comment to that. Hey, thank you for the comment. I'll take that into consideration the next time I film a video. Or thank you for the like. Or I'm glad that what I posted helped you out. Or I'm glad that you enjoyed the video. Interact with your subscribers, or interact with individuals who are commenting to your videos, because like I said, if they're taking the time to interact with you, then you should take the time to interact with them. So those are some of the things that I've learned for the short time that I've been on YouTube. So like I said, to recap, find a topic, find what you want to portray to your audience, what your subject or subjects are going to be for your channel. Next thing, don't be concerned about likes or dislikes. You're gonna get likes, you're gonna get dislikes, you're gonna get positive comments, you're gonna get negative comments. Don't let those discourage you. Just keep driving forward, keep putting the material out there, keep honing your skills as a amateur videographer or professional videographer, whatever you may be. just keep honing those skills. And like I said, your material will get better. Next, equipment. Don't be concerned about not having the top of the line equipment. A smartphone does just as well as telling a story as the top of the line camera that they have out there on the market. Patience. Have patience. Your channel or your video is not going to blow up overnight. It'll take some time. It'll take some time for your audience to find it, or for them to interact with it, or subscribe to it, or like it, or what have you. Just have patience. Keep driving forward. Keep putting new material out there, and keep coming back, and the audience group will grow. Next, the partnership program. If you want to be a YouTube partner, like I said, you have to have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time in a year, no negative strikes on your account. Be consistent. Don't just post one video and think that your subscriber count is going to grow just off of that one video. It may grow, it could grow, but when those subscribers subscribe to your channel, they're expecting to see more material getting posted to your channel. So those are the things that I've experienced as a new YouTuber on the scene. I hope this information helps any of y'all out there who are planning on considering starting a YouTube channel or applying for a YouTube partnership. And like I said, keep checking back because I'm going to be posting more stuff. Like I said, here in the near future, I'm going to be diving into urban exploration, where I'm going to be doing a 3 a.m. adventure at a haunted comic book store here in my town. And I heard there's some paranormal stuff that goes on there. So, keep checking back. Thanks for tuning in to this episode, and y'all have a good one. Yeah.